Okay, class, so this is the video to cover the try yourself questions. For this first video, will probably be try yourself 1 to 7. Okay, so the first part of this topic which we cover in class is the net of the solid. Right, in class I probably already show you and explain properly, right, as shown in here. Now this is a prism and this is a cuboid. Now they only have a few shapes, right, so I'm just going to use this show you how it opens up to the net if you have trouble visualizing. Right, so it opens up, so you can see that the 6 sides of the cube can actually form the net of this cube, and the prism opens up the same way. Okay, right. Okay, so from here, if we go back to this first question, right, try yourself 1. Okay, so this is a podium for Olympics, the top 3 winners. Okay, so the gold stands here, silver stands here, bronze stands here. Right, and if you look closely, right, they are all squares. Okay, so using your ruler, make sure you draw it properly, don't be lazy. Okay, go and draw and make sure all the sides are the same length. Okay, make sure the sides are all the same length. Okay, okay, so the top view should be all 3 squares of the same length. The front view should be not exactly uniform. Right, this left side is a bit higher than this right side, and this one is of course the highest point. Right, all 3 lengths should be the same. Okay, and then following this one, so make sure these 3 lengths are the same. Right, but the left side should be higher than the right side. Okay, so because the left is higher than the right, when you see it from the left side and the right side, it will not look the same. Right, no, they are not the same, as the left side is higher than the right side. Okay, so the left side, because they didn't give any measurements, alright, so set your own measurements. For example, you can draw 1 cm for each side. Okay, so this one could be a bit higher, like, I don't know, 1 or 2 mm. Alright, a bit higher by 1 or 2 mm. Okay, okay, just make sure that the left is higher than the right side. Okay, okay, and again, use your ruler. Okay, try yourself 2. You have a triangular cross section. Right, cross section is triangular. Okay, so this side should open up this way. Right, you want a net. So you have 2 triangular at the side and 3 rectangles in the center. Okay, now this is in centimeters. So when you draw, make sure you measure out 1 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2.8 cm. Okay, again, use your ruler to measure and draw the shape properly. Okay, corner yourself 3. So this one opens up this way. This opens up at the side, This one opens up in front. This one opens up right to the back. Okay, but don't forget this side also opens up here. Okay, so you will have 4 rectangles in your center and 2 parallelograms at the side. Again, draw the net with their lengths because it's in cm. Alright, so make sure you draw 2.5 cm, 2 cm, all that, 2 cm. Okay, use your ruler. Okay, now volume and total surface area is actually quite simple. A volume, you just need to find the area of this cross-sectional shape. Okay, cross-sectional shape. Find the area, multiply by the height. Find the area, multiply by the height. Find the area, multiply by the height. Okay, so let's look at our first try yourself for this one. Okay, now the diagram shows a triangular prism which AB is 14. Okay, AB is 14. So we know we can find the area of this triangle already. Alright, how? Because we have the base is 14. Okay, and the perpendicular height is 6. Okay, so area of triangle, half times 14 times 6. Right, then you find the area of this triangle, you multiply by the height, which is 8. So you get 336. Okay, very simple. Okay, next one. Same concept. We need to find the cross-sectional area. Now you notice that this one, the cross-sectional area has been split into 2. Right, because we can only find the area we split into two. So we have a 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and you have a 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So find the total area, which is 3 times 2 plus 1 times 5, you get 11. Then you multiply this area with the height, which is 7, okay, times 7, so 77. So very easy to find volume actually. Okay, this one is not difficult, it's just a bit longer. Okay, now take note that this whole area here, okay, this whole area here, right, A, B, F, M, E is actually two trapeziums combined into one. Okay, and these two sides, okay, and these two sides are the parallel lengths. This is the parallel sides. Okay, these two are the parallel sides. So this means this is the perpendicular height. Total length 50, half is 25. So how to find the total area of A, B, F, M, E? Half times 3 plus 2 times 25 multiply by 2, because I want 2 trapezium, right? Then from here, I calculate, I get 125. So once I have the area of this whole cross-sectional area, I multiply by the height or length or whatever you call it at the side. Okay, so multiply by 8. Right, multiply by 8. I want the whole thing. Okay, so 125 times 8, sorry, not 8, 18, 18, sorry, 18, not 8, 18. Okay, so multiply by 18. Alright, you get 2258 cm cube. Okay, so that's it for try yourself 6. Very straightforward, very easy. Okay, volume of water in the cube, volume of water length times breadth times height, you get 216. Okay, pour this water from the cube into this trapezium. Now, if you want to find the height of the water, you must remember that because of volume is area of cross-sectional area times height. We need to find the area of this triangle first. So we know that is 14, perpendicular 6, perpendicular height 6. So area of triangle will be half times 14 times 6. Okay, then we take the area, we take the volume of the water, divide by this area to find the height. Okay, so 216 divided by area of triangle, you will get the height, because your volume is area times height. Alright, so area times height means that half times 14 times 6 times this height here should give you 216. So reverse to find the height, 216 divided by 42 should give you 5.1/7 cm. Okay, so hope this video will help you with try yourself 1 to 7. Please go and do and revise. Your end of year is coming up. Alright.